Good day, everybody. My name is Courtney. I will be the driver of the session.
Hello everyone, my name is Ulrich and I'll be the navigator of this session.
So today we did chapter 10. Let me pull out the textbook to give you some context. Okay, so chapter 10, Introduction to Redux. What is Redux? Redux is a library that helps us manage the state of application. It is typically used in medium to large applications with complex data flow. A simple application with simple data flow won't really need Redux. In fact, using Redux can add necessary complexity to application. But what is considered a large application? So, a large application, I'm assuming that would be considered would be Facebook. Oh yeah, so Facebook. Um, because it's obviously got multiple applications in one, like a messaging app, a, a shop like Marketplace, which you could say like a shopping cart, like Shein to Amazon, uh, Takealot, that kind of stuff. So in Redux, today we did, so chapter 10 came with a person's HTML. So it was just a list with a clicker basically. And then this is what the classmates and I did. So we obviously import React useState, which is useState is hooks. Um, so basically what we did, okay, I just did a lot of CSS to make it simple. But in our components, we have a function. So person item receives person as a prop and uses internal state show age. So this is what it basically is using. So this is local state to toggle age display. Um, and then add person receives on add as a prop and uses internal state for form inputs, local state for name input, local state for age inputs. Our math.random helps to generate the age. Generate ID is to generate ID. So basically the age can go up to, I think that's 10,000. So this is on add is a prop basically. So on add is the prop. And then we have set name and set age, which is reset name input and reset age input. Now, my professor told me that to understand what's going on is to focus on these two lines. So const name and const age. So let us copy this and go into ChatGPT and we'll just ask him to please, that's caps, oops, please explain what the below means. This line of code uses React's useState hook to manage local state in a functional component. Here's what it means. So useState creates a piece of state and initializes it with an empty string. The argument inside useState is the initial value. So const name and set name and const age set age. This is array destructing. React returns an array with two elements, the current value of the state, name or age, and a function to update that value, set name or set age. So name stores the current name value input that we can obviously guess. Set name updates the name state. Age stores the current age input value. Set age updates the age state, and then use state initializes both as empty strings. Cool. So then in our terminal, I am going to run it to show you what it looks like. So my theme was like a black with like sage green. Tried. So here we have our person's list, then our name. We'll do mine with my age, but just to give you an example, you can literally go to however old you would like to. Let me save some time. And I can add that. I can click show age, 1000. I can also click remove, redo and put that back to my current age. I can add my classmate from earlier. He is 16. Add that. I can also add my other classmates. And then we'll add Mika as well. I think she's 19. So here you can see we have a list of names, but you can show the age or the hide age. So now you can see it changes, so you can also go back to hide. And then we can also remove. Yeah, so that is chapter 10. Thank you.